Looking for the best power scrubbers to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 1. Casabella Power Spin Scrubber. For those seeking versatility without breaking the bank, the Casabella Power Spin Scrubber delivers impressive features at an affordable price. It features a rod that extends up to 47.5 inches as well as 4 uniquely shaped scrub brushes, including a large flat brush, a small flat brush, a small cone brush, and a dome brush. It also has an adjustable head, enabling it to reach every nook and cranny when needed. Assembly was a breeze. It came in 3 pieces that snapped together. We first used it as a shower scrubber, spraying our surround with cleaner and then using the flat and cone brushes to expel dirt and soap scum. We also used the large flat brush to scrub ceramic tile and linoleum floors. We were impressed by how much visible dirt was lifted from the linoleum after only one use. The adjustable extension rod was one of our favorite features, easily reaching floors, showers, walls, and other surfaces without having to bend or kneel, and it kept potent tub and tile cleaners at a safe distance. The extension rod also detaches when not needed, making this spinning scrub brush equally effective for countertops, sinks, and other close-range cleaning tasks. While it only offers one speed setting and lacks sponge attachments, the Casabella's combination of 4 versatile brushes, adjustable reach, and reliable performance makes it a valuable addition to your cleaning arsenal. Number 2. Dremel Versa 4V Power Scrubber Kit. Dremel is best known for its high-powered rotary tool, but the company also produces other products, including the Dremel Versa Scrubber. Unlike the other models on our list that boast handles or extension rods, the Versa is a compact handheld scrubber with an easy-to-grip ergonomic design. It comes with 5 Scrub Daddy sponges, including a Flex Texture Scrubbing Pad, ArmorTech Mesh Scouring Pad, Resofoam Sponge Pad, 10X Eraser Pad, and ArmorTech Steel Mesh Scouring Pad. Right off the bat, the Dremel Versa Scrubber was one of our favorites. The design was unlike any of the models we had previously tested, and the 5 included pads meant that we could use this cleaning tool on several surfaces. We first used the ArmorTech Scouring Pad and a bit of soap to dislodge stuck-on food from our kitchen sink. We then switched to one of the softer attachments and scrubbed the hardware in the shower and our bathroom faucets to a shine. Number 3. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Ease of use 5/5, ergonomics 5/5, effectiveness 4/5, durability 3.5/5, value 5/5. Our first impression of the Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber was that it closely resembled an electric toothbrush, but that's where the similarities ended. The stiff bristle brush on the Reveal spins up to 60 times per second, that's 3,600 revolutions per minute. It has a non-slip rubberized grip that makes it comfortable to hold and features a lock-on power button. The Reveal worked right out of the package, thanks to the 4 pre-installed AA batteries. We tested the scrubber along with one of the best grout cleaners on our kitchen tile grout lines. We also used it along the narrow inner seals of our casement windows where months' worth of dust and dirt had accumulated and in the little crevices between the bathroom sink faucet handles. We were uniformly impressed. Although a beveled grout brush did not come with the tool, the standard all-purpose brush is plenty stiff for cleaning even stuck-on gunk and grout lines. Number 4. Black+Decker PKS 160 Power Scrubber Brush. Dishes with baked-on food can be difficult to hand wash or clear before placing in the dishwasher. Fortunately, the Black+Decker Power Scrubber, with its fully submersible design and heavy-duty scrub pads, makes this job less strenuous. This scrubber comes with 2 easy-to-swap cleaning pads and 4 AA batteries so that it can be used right away. When the Black+Decker Power Scrubber arrived, we had the perfect test surface, a frying pan with burned-on butter. The mess was so bad that we were about to toss the pan in the trash, but we decided to give this little scrubber a chance. We squirted some dish soap on the pan, splashed in some water, and let the power scrubber work its magic. The burned mess immediately started coming up, and we had the pan cleaned in about 5 minutes. We also used the pads to clean inside our refrigerator and give our sink a good scrub. The scraper at the bottom of the handle was convenient for tackling gunky messes, and the scrubber's small size enabled us to store it in a drawer beside the sink. We used this scrubber for more than half an hour at a time, and the design was easy and comfortable to handle. It isn't quite as versatile as other scrubbers on our list, but it is a solid option if you want help washing the dishes. Number 5. SonicPower Electric Power Scrubber. The SonicPower scrubber features an easy-to-grip handle, a battery that can last up to a month, and an LED display that shows the remaining battery life and speed setting. It comes with 4 types of brushes: a hard bristle brush that felt similar to the stiffness of a toilet brush, a soft bristle brush, 2 scouring pads, and 2 polishing pads. It has 2 speed levels that you can change with the push of a button. This electric scrubber came mostly charged with an 84% battery life, but we fully charged it before putting it to work. The typical flat brushes that come with most scrubbers don't work well on our shower, so we used the soft bristle brush, which came to a point. The brush fit into tight corners, making it easy to remove soap scum and grime. We then switched to the polishing pad, which felt like a super soft sponge, to clean the windows on our car. There was a little bit of soap splatter as we worked, but we were impressed with the scrubber's ability to dislodge gunk. Our only complaint was the lack of an extension rod. More reach would have made cleaning the bathtub and tile floors easier.